Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Nikwa. So today is March 17th and it is St. Patrick's Day, and it's a little late for a St. Patrick's Day nail tutorial, but since I'm doing my nails on St. Patty's Day, I decided to do a green nail tutorial that has nothing to do with St. Patrick's Day, but it has green in it. So if you want to stick around and watch how I do it, go ahead and sit back, relax, pop some popcorn, do what you do. But before you do that, go down below and subscribe down below. I can wait here, pause me, and yeah, so let's get started with this video. To begin with these nails, I used a white base for a specific reason. So I applied two thin coats, just two coats of white down on all of my nails, which I used LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source, and I applied two coats of that on every nail. Once I was done with the white, here's the reason why. I have LA Colors Color Craze Mint Neon Green, and that neon green is so thin it needs that white base on the bottom so it can be opaque and neon and opaque as it should be. So I applied two coats of this neon green on top of the white.
Just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going?
So this next part gets really interesting, and I hope you enjoy the ride. So I took LA Colors Color Craze Circuit, which is a black. I then, on every nail, I then made like a big block shaped section of black onto each nail, and it just depends on how you feel the shape you want on each nail, but leaving a green opening.
Are we going again? Just you and I.
Once he was done with that, you do like two coats to make it nice and opaque. I then went and took Sally Hansen's Big Crackle Top Coat, which is like a shade, the shade Black On, which is the black. And in the sections that are green still, I applied the Crackle Polish onto that section. And then you make sure it really cracks, and so you can see that green shine through. So don't make it so thick in those areas, but yeah.
See me. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you.
Okay, so to make it more easier on your eyes and to divide all the sections, I then took Sally Hansen's Go for Gold and a wire brush, and around those big black sections, shaped sections that you did before, I outlined it in that gold.
Passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by.
Okay, off to the fun part. In those black sections, you can just leave it black and put a top coat and it's fine, but you know, gotta be a little extra. So, I first took Pure Ice Coffin Break, and I dabbed that, and I lightly dabbed some of that nail polish onto the black shaped sections that you made, and don't cover it all the way up, just put in spots. And then while it's a little wet still, not dry, I then took Pure Ice Good Witch, and which is a purple. I then dabbed some of that onto the black sections as well, and on top of Coffin Break to kind of mix it together, because both of these are topper nail polishes, so you need that black underneath to really bring in the color, and so it really brought in the color.
I'm fine.
And then I went back in with LA Colors Color Craze Circuit, that black, and then I made little squiggly lines into Coffin Break and Good Witch, and to kind of break it up a little bit to make it look like it's like a stone type of look that's not all smashed together. Basically break up the colors.
Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going?
So it has this marbling stone vibe, and I was happy and done. So then I used Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat, and I did that for every nail.
Take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Okay, so who's not gonna like these nails? But these nails are pretty cool, so this is how it all turned out.
Are we going again? Just you and I.
So I hope you had fun, just as much fun as I did these green nails, and I really love them. So thank you so much for getting this far in this video. You should get a prize and like a tap on your back because you made it this far. Thank you so much for everything. If you haven't already, go down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that great notification bell, and leave a comment down below if you have any nail suggestions you want to see me do and or show you how to do. Go down below and type that in, and also share this video please, because it's pretty cool. It's a pretty darn cool nail tutorial. So I'll catch you back next week with another, and until then I'll catch you back later. Bye.
If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through everything around us, feeling minuscule.